How's it going? How are you? Hope you're all well and happy and healthy and safe and all that. It's hard at the moment, isn't it? My head's wrecked from being kept inside. I think I've got cabin fever. I'd like to sing you a song if that's okay. And this song was originally written as a poem by a very famous Irish poet called Patrick Kavanagh. And he wrote it basically as an ode to this girl that he'd been in love with, but the relationship didn't last because she was a lot younger than him. And he was in a pub one night and he met Luke Kelly from the Dubliners, and he asked Luke to turn the poem into a song. And Luke obliged, and he chose the air of an Irish song called The Dawning of the Day. And actually those words are in the poem. So I hope you like it. I don't have a backing track for it, so I'm going to sing it a cappella. On Raglan road of an autumn day, I saw her first and knew that her dark hair would weave a snare that I might one day rue. I saw the danger and I passed along the enchanted way, and I said, let grief be a fallen leaf at the dawning of the day. On Grafton Street in November, we tripped lightly along the ledge of a deep ravine where can be seen the worth of passions pledged. The Queen of Hearts still making tarts, and I'm not making hay. Oh, I loved too much, and as such by such is happiness thrown away. I gave her gifts of the mind, I gave her the secret signs that's known to the artists who have known the true gods of sound and stone, and word and tint without stint. I gave her poems to say, with her own name there, and her own dark hair, like clouds over fields of May. On a quiet street, where old ghosts meet, I see her walking now, away from me so hurriedly, my reasons must allow, for I have loved not as I should, a creature made of clay. When the angel woos the clay, he lose his wings at the dawn of day.